Can AI screenshots be evidence in a case? Well, certainly. Imagine if you've been attacked by the police and you have a big charge of murder, and the week before you were Googling how to bury a body, what's the best way to make sure a body doesn't float up, right? All those things. That's certainly been used before. But what about an AI chat? Is that a little different? What if the AI is actually the one sort of participating and maybe even guiding the discussion? Is that evidence? Well, it really all depends on the chat, how it went through, and the authentication. So the best thing for the police in that instance, or the DA or the opposing party to do, would be to actually subpoena the actual records from ChatGPT or OpenAI, or whichever AI you're using. Make sure that its metadata is there. The user was actually logged in. The timestamp shows that they were indeed where they said they were going to be, at their house, Googling or AIing it, right? All that is going to matter. Same thing that they did before with Google, where they had to show the search history where the user was logged in and these questions were asked. So this is going to be really dependent on basing that evidence on its chain of custody, meaning the person really was using it, the user ID matches, they were logged in, and it'll show the whole history. The key is you can't just take pieces and parts and just a screenshot. You need to have the context, maybe the before questions and answers and then the after questions and answers. Certainly the defense attorney or the attorney on the other side, if it's a civil case, would want to have more of that brought out and that entire conversation laid out rather than just a snippet of it. So screenshots alone are weak, but if there's enough evidence to show that it really is authentic, the chain of custody is real, that this person likely is the person who was typing it in, then yes, it certainly can be used as court and as evidence. And I think we're going to be seeing this a lot more, just as we had in the past with Google searches and Yahoo searches and all those things. So if AI is of interest to you, or if you have a case that involves AI or interested in starting an AI company, call us at Quantum Counsel.